may banal pa na misa na ginaganap. Yan lang po sa gilid ng ating palaruan. Poses up, time is on, bakbaka na! On the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. 3-2. Mariano behind the 3-pointers. Taking a jumper, 2 points, Kabase. 14 seconds to shoot. Valderrama, 2 points. Recent combination, good for 2 points, number 7. Assisted by wearing jersey number 13, good for 2 points, number 19. The man with 100 moves, Kabase knocks it in for 2 points. Nice roll, good for 2 points, Kabase. 2 minutes and 15 seconds to go for the opening quarter. Vega, 2 points, number 14. And the first 2 points back. San Jose for 3 points. 45. 7 serving, good for 2 points. Vicente. Back-to-back shooting, Vicente. 3. 2 points, Kabase. Time. Follow-up jumper, 2 points, number 13, Valderrama. A fixing to the back play, good for 2 points for Barangay. Perimeter J, good for 2 points, Kabase. One of the top player, itong batang San Jose, hindi umasket yung kanyang magandang perimeter shot na pare. And this time, a shifting direction working from the weak corner, good for 2 points. Hindi po kang naging kondisyon itong mamang para sa ating ikalawang game to na paglalaro. Tumatakbo may tangan ng buho. In Kabase going to number 9. Good for 2 points shooter from Valderrama. 2 points pocket. Basketball game na napapanood po natin dito lamang po yan sa Barangay Manalo Cover Basketball Court. Filipino step. Good for 2 points by Ferreras. Sa Salvacion. Baseball pass and going for Ferreras. Jumper for 2 points. Basketball crowd again. 13, deflects upang kalinginamot. Matri cover the ball by number 31. Shot clock down to 5. Isusubo. Yes sir. Good for 2 points. Abay na isang sila. Nasutasan. Batang Pacaldos. Mondragon. Kick out sa bandang kaliwa. Ipipihit. Kabase Oria. Valderrama inside. Bunbon. Jumper for 2 points. Tiragang pangmalakasan. 2 puntos naman po mga kaibigan. 30.9 seconds to go for the second frame. Kabase Bunbon. Inside pass. Going for Valderrama, a couple of faking a jumper. Valderrama! 2 points in. In the 2 points bucket. In front the board. Stolen by Valderrama. Pagtuloy. Yung pananalasa na matagalong buwan. Kinaliwa pa. Good for 2 points. 2 seconds to go. Mondragon. Yung batang Mondragon nakapahal isa sa mga bata. Pero napakalaking bata for team ng Barangay Lupuan. Hindi bumasket ang kanyang unang subok. Batidya. Ang tira ng 2 free throws nitong Yakuna. Batidya sa titi naman. Good for 2 points by number 1. Binigay kay Lupregas driving in. Just take na jumper for 2 points. May paglilok na gagawin. Good for 2 points by Valderrama. 8 minutes and 52 seconds to go. 20 against 38 naman pa rin ang 18. Ganda ng assist from Ferreras. Good for 2 points. Valderrama. Na De La Rosa. Time left 5 minutes and 35 para sa ating ikatlong yugto ng paglalaro. May tiyapanat ng tatluhan. Outside jumper. Bang! 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 3 points! May isang follow-up pa, isang knockout leg. Good for 2 points for Barangay Salvacion. Iwan-iwan ng mga makinarias. Ibang din ang Salvacion for the third period ng ating labanan. Meron tayong 5 minutes and 17 seconds. To the moon, no Philip Lubregas. Good for 2 points. Isang road po ng ating third period. Makalahati pa lamang po ito with 42 against 25 score. Lamang po an outside jumper from jersey number 22. Jumper 3-pointer, Mariano. Isa sa mga halimaw mula sa 3-point line. Mariano downtown play. Short, may putback sa ilalim. Yes sir, 2 points. Get the basket, 2 points lead at may kasamahang foul. And foul against Warriors in number 6. Laki mga kaibigan, nagkakasubukan at 2 beses na nasusupal-pal itong batang Valderrama. And spin and jumper, what a move! Sa Plimana may simba ng Barangay Salvacion. Tutok na pero walang nagawang pagputok. Kabase jumper for 2 points. The silky smooth play, Kabase! 46, 38 seconds na lang ang panalalabing oras for the third period in this basketball action. Lubigas, pagsasariling atake. Lubigas, knocks it in for 2 points. In the 2 points pocket, isang gagigit. Yan din po yan sa atin ang mga taga-barang Ilocos. 48-32 ang ating talaan. Lamang ng 16, outside jumper. Bang! 3 points! In the 3 points play was brought buwan. Muli po sa mga kararating lamang ha, welcome po tayo sa ating quarter na battle quarter. Bacantos, 2 points in. Bola, racing by Vicente, shot block down to 8. Pitong saglit na natin ng oras, Kabase from the perimeter. Yes sir! Isang tiradang malapitan. 5 minutes and 48 seconds to go. A pump by Dagaraga, inside pass, and a jumper come up strong. Pero sabi nitong batang San Jose, akong bahala dyan boy. Good for 2 points. Itay una 9 deep points by Team Lupuan. Kabase with a pull-up J. Good for 2 points. Kabase! The man with 100 moves connecting 2 points once. Sablay lang pag-grip ng bola by Pereras. Taking about Bacatos, babanat ng tatluhan. Bacatos, bang! 3 points! It's good. 4 minutes and 10 seconds to go. Inside pass in a jumper. Good for 2 points by Gutierrez. Lazan para sa team ng Salvacion. And Gutierrez driving in. Good for 2 points. Only 2 points ang abante. 52-50. 2 puntos na lang. Muslim Miri. Mariano bumila ng tatluhan. Hindi rumasok na kaibigan. And good for 2 points. 52-53. 1 point lead by Barangay Lungguan. 3 timeout. Barangay San Jose. Barangay Salvacion runner. We have only 2 minutes and 38 seconds to go. Score for natin 52 against 53. 1 point lead by Barangay Lungguan laban sa team ng Barangay Salvacion. Hindi, tinitingnan ko lang po kung talaga nakikinig yung mga nasa harapan natin. Nakikinig pala sila. 1 seconds remaining time. Dagaraga may tangan ng bola. Dagaraga on the move. Bang! We're now tied at 60 points. 62 against 60. Only 2 points by Barangay Lungguan. 2 seconds to go. Congratulations! Panalo Barangay Salvacion! Mga kaibigan, panalo pong Barangay Salvacion. What a nice game!